Hello everyone, myself Amalya G. I am a student of Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Today I am going to explain about circular economy and resource management. So, what is the definition of circular economy? The circular economy is a resource management approach that aims to minimize waste and resource consumption by keeping materials in use for as long as possible through strategies like reuse, repair, and recycling. It's a closed loop system that contrasts with the traditional linear economy, which focuses on take, make, dispose approach. So, the principles and objectives of circular economy is that it focuses on resource regeneration, minimizing waste, and promoting sustainability through reuse, recycling, and design of products for longevity and repair. So, then what's the difference between circular economy and linear economy? Unlike the traditional linear economy, which follows a take, make, dispose model, circular economy emphasizes continuous use and closed loop systems to reduce resource depletion and environmental impact. So, now let's look at the importance of resource management. First, the efficient utilization of resources. Proper resource management ensures that human, financial, physical, and technological resources are used optimally, minimizing waste and maximizing the productivity. Next, cost effectiveness. By allocating resources wisely, organizations can reduce unnecessary expenses and increase profit margins or cost savings. Then comes the improved planning and decision making. It helps in forecasting needs, identifying shortages, and making data driven decisions to align goals and timelines. Then, enhanced productivity. When the right resources are available at right time, work progresses smoothly, leading to better performance and faster outcomes. Risk mitigation. Resource management helps identify and mitigate potential risks due to shortages, overuse, or misallocation, thereby maintaining continuity and quality. Then, sustainability. In the context of natural and environmental resources, good management practices help preserve them for future generations. Team satisfaction and balance. Managing human resources effectively prevents overwork, underutilization, and burnout. Then, goal achievement. Strategic use of resources aligns efforts with organizational or project's goals, ensuring timely and successful completion. Now, let's look at the key components of circular economy. So first comes design for longevity and reuse. Products are designed to last longer and can be easily repaired, reused, or remanufactured. Emphasis is placed on modular design and recyclable materials. Then, resource efficiency can be achieved by maximizing output while minimizing the input and waste, and efficient use of materials, energy, and water across the value chain. Reuse, repair, and remanufacture. This can be achieved by encouraging the use of second-hand products and parts and extending product life through maintenance, upgrades, and repair. Recycling and waste minimization. Materials are recovered at the end of a product's life and reintroduced into the production process, reduces the need for virgin resources and lowers environmental impact. Then comes product as a service. It encourages manufacturers to produce durable and maintainable goods. So, like businesses retain ownership of products and offer them services like leasing or sharing models. Then, regenerative natural systems. It is nothing but moving from extraction to regeneration, like restoring and renewing the natural ecosystems, for example, composting organic waste to enrich the soil. Then, closed loop systems. Materials and products continuously circulate within the economy, reducing the need for new inputs. It emphasizes internal loops within industries or between sectors. Then, circular supply chains. It prioritizes sustainable sourcing, biodegradable inputs, and renewable resources. It builds resilience through local and diversified supply network. Then, reverse logistics. It involves returning products from consumers back to producers, focusing on the recovery of materials and minimizing waste through effective redistribution. Then collaborative consumption is based on shared access and resource pooling, allowing individuals and organizations to participate in sustainable consumption practices together. Now let's look at few implementation strategies for circular economy. So firstly, product design and innovation. The main objective is to design products that last longer, can be repaired, reused, or recycled. The strategies include eco-design principles, create products that are modular, repairable, and made from sustainable materials. Then design for disassembly, make products easy to take apart from repair or recycling. Then material innovation, use biodegradable or fully recyclable materials. Then comes business model transformation. The objective is to shift from linear to circular models. Strategies include product as a service, as discussed earlier, to rent or lease models like tools, electronics, or vehicles. Then take back schemes like businesses recover used products for refurbishment or recycling. Then sharing platforms. It enables collaborative consumption like ride sharing, clothing swaps, etc. Next comes resource recovery and waste management. Its objective is to maximize the value of materials at the end of their life cycle. The strategies include closed loop recycling systems, reuse materials within the same product chain, then urban mining, recover valuable materials from electronic waste or construction debris, then composting, bio-waste utilization, convert organic waste into energy or fertilizer. Then comes circular supply chains. The objective is to create resilient, sustainable sourcing and production systems. So the strategies include local sourcing, which is to reduce emissions and improve transparency. Then supplier collaboration, integrate circular practices throughout the supply chain, and then the digital tracking, to use blockchain or IoT, that is Internet of Things, to trace materials and ensure circular compliance. Then comes circular engagement and behavioral change. The objective is to shift consumption patterns towards reuse, repair, and sharing. Strategies are education and awareness campaigns, and incentives for sustainable behavior like discounts, loyalty programs for retaining used goods, and then transparency and labeling to inform the consumers about product life cycle and recyclability. Then policy and regulatory support. The objective is to provide support legal and financial framework. Strategies include extended product responsibility (EPR) to make producers responsible for product end of life. Then subsidies and tax incentives. Encourage circular investments and penalize waste. Then bans on single-use plastics and landfill restrictions. Next comes technology and digital tools. The objective is to use innovation to monitor, optimize, and scale circular practices. Strategies include AI and machine learning, optimize resource use and predict material needs. Then IoT sensors monitor asset condition and usage. Digital platforms facilitate peer-to-peer sharing and product tracking. So next comes the partnerships and ecosystem collaboration. The objective is to foster collaboration across industries, governments, and communities. The strategies include public-private partnerships, industry alliances for circular standards, and cross-sector innovation hubs and pilots. Now let's look at the successful circular economy models. So leading companies exemplifying circular economy principles include Unilever and IKEA, showcasing sustainable practices that minimize waste and maximize resource efficiency throughout their supply chains. Now let's take a look at the resource management innovations. First, collaborative consumption is based on shared access and resource pooling, allowing individuals and organizations to participate in sustainable consumption practices together. Then technological advances such as AI and IoT play crucial roles in optimizing resource use, enabling real-time data collection and management to enhance efficiency and sustainability. So then community initiatives such as recycling programs and local repair workshops empower communities to engage in sustainable practices, fostering collaboration and resource waste at the grassroots levels. So that's all for this topic. I hope you understood the importance of circular economy and resource management for a sustainable development of societies. Thank you for watching.